Nakala Analytics is a data analytics startup headquartered here in Nairobi. We provide data analytics solutions to companies that have the data but lack the insights. What we do basically is business analytics, machine learning, and data visualization.
When a report is given to the management, it has to be this one. We want to show them something. We don't want to make them look for something. And that also means to be selective and to remove everything that is not relevant. So if there's any particular chart or graphic which only shows what people already know. The beauty about data visualization is, I think, that it's relevant for people in all kinds of fields. And the kind of gaps in knowledge, I think, is across the board.
So today's session was about sales forecasting, where I was giving tutorials on how you can forecast sales based on different methodologies. Some of the methodologies that we've covered today include regression method, naive Bayes, naive method, moving average, both 3 moving average and 4 moving average. We've also touched on exponential smoothing. These are some of the methodologies that you can use for forecasting sales. We've also touched on how you can tell the best forecasting method based on the error terms that you get. So it was a good session, and I think it's a very nice learning experience to the learners today.
There are some differences between bad and good visualizations that you spot immediately. Yeah? Like, for example, if you look at them and they hurt your eye, it's a bad visualization. They have too many colors in it, they have all sorts of effects on it. More importantly, maybe if you look at the visualization and you don't know what it's actually trying to tell you, then it also means the person who made it didn't really know what they want to tell, or they didn't know how they can actually tell that story.
You need to look at the best forecasting method. That's why I gave you all these 4. So we'll use all of the 4 and then we see which one is the best, which one gives me the best sales.
Sentiment analysis is sort of finding out what people are saying about you and why they're saying it. So you rank things either positive, negative, neutral. There's also various ways you can rank things based on sort of a scale, maybe from 1 to 100, that kind of thing.
We're trying to revamp our own sales, and we need some of these monitoring tools to analyze and forecast our future sales. So yeah, I think it's an interesting workshop.
It's a great workshop. Sales managers and anyone in their sales, I feel, should attend.